Hey all, today I'm in the Netherlands visiting Iris. She's living in a community with 10 small and tiny houses, and today we're gonna have a quick tour and she will share a bit more with us what's about here.
Yes, welcome in the Netherlands, in Koedijk. We are here at Liberta, our eco community. We have 10 houses here and a lot of different people, 6 kids.
This is like main garden or just main square here
Yeah,
where you gather, tiny garden.
yes. So in the summer we sit over here, have a nice dinner together.
Yeah.
And yeah, here you can see how green it is. First it was really clay, a lot of water, nothing here, and now birds are here. It's really biodiverse, and yeah, we love it.
And so the idea is this land is provided by government or
No, we rented from local place over
community,
here.
like municipality or private?
No, it's
So it's in Dutch?
recreation
recreational,
area.
yeah.
Area. Yeah.
Okay. And you have some limited contract here, or?
Yes.
Mhm.
So till 2030 we can stay here, and we hope we can be longer here.
Yeah. And you have some monthly rent as well here.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And this was all like kind of made with the like government accepted it. This
Yes.
project.
Yeah, so we all built our own houses, and the government, the local government, gave us for 10 years we can experience here and live here, and also not only live here, but we also have open days and we share our knowledge here. So
Yeah. And in total, you have 10 houses here,
yes,
and the smallest one is probably like 40 square meters, 30 something.
27, yeah, and the
27.
biggest is 62.
Okay.
Yes, and yeah, we have couples, people who live alone, and we have also 4 families living here.
One of you, one of them
Yeah.
is you.
Yes. Well, we walk now to our community garden, where we once a week with a little group of people do some work in the garden, and we have a lot of snails. Is it called snails?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. And
They're eating salad.
yes, they are eating all our veggies, and so for that reason we have also 4 ducks, and we have some 2 new ones. Yeah, here you see the snails.
Yeah.
So every evening we are someone from the community has to collect all the snails, because otherwise, yeah, all of the veggies are gone.
It's part of the nature. You take, you give a bit.
Yes, yes, of course, yeah, yeah. So here are 2 of our ducks, just relaxing. Hello. Yeah, and a lot of frogs we have. You see, they did jump into the water.
And they're so cute.
Yeah. Hi, yes.
And the chickens are private, or it's from community as well?
Chickens are also from community. Yeah.
Okay. How many chickens you have?
Well, we had 7, and then there was a dog, and he eats it 5.
Oh.
Yeah. So now we have 2, but there are more coming.
Yeah. And they're just running freely. In our community.
Sometimes, but
Okay.
not always, because of all the dogs over here in this recreation area. We decided to, yeah, not to put them
Yeah.
all the time free.
Otherwise they'll be gone.
Yes. And here are our new ducks. Hey, jongens. So they are just for a couple of days now here. So they have to stay a little bit, and then hopefully they can help us also to bring nature more in balance.
Yeah. And this is
This
the community house.
Yeah, this is our community house. We did this here for the ducks. And I can show you what. This is where we gather once a while. There's also a community laundering machine, and we have some movie nights over here.
And this was built as well from environmental friendly materials?
Yes, it is totally built with that, and we have even insulation from hay, which you can see over here.
So it has just all wall full with hay?
Yes, yes. Actually, it came into blocks here, and it just in a couple of days it was just finished.
Yeah.
And you really feel the atmosphere here is really nice. Also, the climate is very, natural, and that's what you feel.
And then you have washing machine. Does everyone house has a washing machine, or do they use it here as well?
No, most of the people use it over here, and some have by their own.
Mm-hmm. And
Yeah.
that is a bathroom.
Yeah, this is a small, actually only toilet, but
Yeah, it's a huge door.
yeah, it is, because we thought we need to do it for disabled people as well.
So when you have open doors, then
Yes.
the people can come here as well.
Yeah.
If it's bad weather, you're here.
Yes.
Yeah.
And also some companies are also doing some gatherings over here.
So it's like the structure is from metal.
Well, this is because it was actually not necessary, but our constructor who did all the measurements, he was like, okay, I'm too scared to do it only with wood, so you need a metal construction, but
That's heavy duty.
it is, yeah. And everything here is bio-based or circular. So, for example, these curtains are from House of Happiness from the northern part of the Netherlands, and they are made from cutting pieces, and they made new material from that.
And so this is all community idea of being like more environmental friendly, using materials.
Yes, the
or
whole
it's
community.
just your house.
The whole community is built with sustainable materials. I can show you also here. We have some examples. So we have, for example, this is made out of jeans, of denim. We put this inside our walls.
Like part of insulation.
Part of insulation, yeah. And this is actually the insulation all houses have. It's made of wood fibers. So everything here is sustainable, and that is also the reason, or that was one of the biggest goals here, to only use sustainable materials.
Nice.
Yeah.
And hopefully you can stay here longer.
Yes,
than
we hope.
2030.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, thanks for watching the full tours. I have a couple more houses filmed here you can watch on the second channel, and see you in the next one. Cheers.